to each and every one of you, great Biafrans all over the world, friends of Biafra and lovers of freedom. My name is Amadin Ebakwaro Omori, aka Biafran Seed. I am the leader of IGODOMIGODO Biafra movement home and abroad. Please, immediately you come across this video, do well to share it. Those that love me for what I represent, they need to see this very video. Those that also hate me for what I represent, they also need to see this very video. As you all know, I pass the message across to Biafrans and to the world in general, stating that from the 17th of November, the Biafra Liberation Movement will enter auxiliary gear. Today is that very 17th day of November 2024. And I'm here to send a direct message to President Tinubu, the president of the so-called Nigeria. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, listen to me very well. Listen to me and listen attentively. I am from Old Edo State, the land of IGODOMIGODO, and I want to let you know that my people have decided to add voice to other Biafrans in every part of Biafra land to demand for the release of our king, our husband, our uncle, our brother, our son, our friend. He is our everything you can think of. He is no any other person than His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the supreme leader of indigenous people of Biafra. My people are demanding for his total release. And we are not here to plead or to beg you to release him. We are here to command you to release him. We are not begging you to release him. Why I'm saying we are not begging you, we are commanding you is that series of court orders have been given in the past for him to be released. But your government and past government decide to keep him there in dungeon. And we cannot take it. We, the sons and daughters of IGODOMIGODO, former Edo State, we cannot take it. You must release him. Let him go. And you have 1 week ultimatum to release him. Today is 17th November 2024. We are going to patiently wait for you to release him from this very 17th day of November to the 24th day of November. Failure to do so will attract heavy consequences. Read my lips. I don't joke. I don't play. This head you are seeing is carrying matches, is carrying light. This head you are seeing is fire. And if you want me to light it, then I will do so. Then we know who we run. Then we know who we run. One thing for sure is that, in case you don't know, the state of IGODOMIGODO is playing vital role in your government, economically and otherwise. If you want the sons and daughters of IGODOMIGODO to cripple your government, then forget about the release of Mazin and the Tango. We are not here to war anybody. We are here for peace to reign. We are not troublemakers. We don't go about looking for trouble. You know we don't joke. Whatever we do it excess. You understand what I mean? Those who say they are criminals, remember Anini. You understand me? Those who say they are shawu, remember our women. Those who say they are cultists, remember our young youth. Those who say they are crazy, they are mad, remember our young youth. Those who say they are intelligent, they are educated, remember our professors. We are IGODOMIGODO. And if you don't know the meaning of IGODOMIGODO, go and ask about the meaning of IGODOMIGODO. We are peace-loving people. We accommodate everybody. We don't look for trouble. But in this demand we are making, we are not joking with it, and we can never joke with it. I am giving you and your government the opportunity from now to this 17th November 2024 to November 24, 2024. If you fail to release Mazin and the Kanu, the supreme leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, then General Efosa Akpata is there. He will no longer give you people opportunity, but he will give you people opportunity. You heard me well. General Efosa Akpata is waiting to give you people opportunity. That is, if you refuse to take the opportunity I'm giving to you, wait for General Efosa Akpata to give you opportunity, you including your government and anybody that will fight alongside with you. Coming to the present governor, the present governor in the state of IGODOMIGODO, Governor Monday Upewulu. I tell you, if you know what you can do for Mazin and the Kanu to gain his freedom, go ahead and do it. If not so, when the music starts to play, close your ear, go to bed. If not, we are going to tumble everything for you. If you make him, we tumble everything for you. Governor Monday Upewulu, I am telling you this for free. I thank you. All my name remains Amadi Bakaro Mori, aka Biafra. I am the leader of IGODOMIGODO Biafra movement home and abroad. Remain blessed.